welcome my channel CC Educations. Today I am discuss about problem based on differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Okay, alright. Previous class I am just two examples there. So I am trying to base on my knowledge or discuss some type of questions so you clear about this type of differentiations. Okay. So first question is differentiate x to power x with respect to sin x. Suppose a question is given for you. Differentiate x to power x equals to with respect to sin x. Alright, firstly let u equal to x to power x and v equals to sin x. So we have to find du by dx, dv by dx, and lastly du by dv. Okay, alright. So now u is a function of x to power x, that means it is a variable to power value. We know that in the variable to power value it is taking logarithm both sides. So firstly log base e of u equals to log base e of x to power x. Why I am used logarithm function? Because your question is u is a function of suppose x to power x equal is a variable to power variable or function to power function form, so that I am taking logarithm both sides. Alright. Now this implies that log base e of u equals to, in the power form, in the logarithm form, that is the common factor x of logarithm function base e of x here now. Alright. So this implies that here u is a function of x, so that we put both sides d by dx, derivative d by dx, because u is a function of x here. So that is the value equals to d by dx of x base logarithm function of this. Now this implies that in the logarithm function, firstly 1 by u, here again du by dx equals to x is the first function, second function logarithm form. By the product formula of derivative, first function derivative x derivative is 1, in the multiplier of second function remain constant, plus first function remain constant, that means x is constant. Again derivative of logarithm function base e of x, that means value is 1 by x here. Okay. Now this implies that 1 by u du by dx equals to log base e of x plus up here 1. So now this implies du by dx equals to u of value log base e of x of 1. Now we know that what is the value of u? Du by dx here, u is the value of logarithm function, x to power x of 1 plus log base e of x here. That is the value of du by dx. Again, u is a function of x here. So now this implies dv is a function of x. So that dv by dx equals to sine of derivative cos of x. Now clear about that. Therefore du by dv equals to du by dx divided by dv by dx. Alright. Du by dx equals to, here now value is du by dx, value is x to power x 1 plus log base e of x here now. The whole divided by sine, value is cos of x. That is the du by dx value. Du by dv value. Okay. This is one question. I am trying another question each. So for your questions is given for you, differentiate differentiate tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus of x square with respect to cos inverse of 1 minus of x square divided by 1 plus of x square. Alright. So now firstly your answer is here. Let's suppose u is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus of x square. Okay. And another value b equals to suppose cos inverse of 1 minus of x square by 1 plus of x square. Alright. So firstly we convert in by we know that you differentiate any inverse function. So we negligible the inverse functions. So your derivative part is very easy at that. Okay. So here tan. So it is based upon only which type of formula? It is a tan inverse, that means it convert that tan value. Okay. So suppose put x equal to tan theta. This implies theta equal to here now tan inverse of x. Clear that? So I am putting this value in these equations. So u equal to here tan inverse now equals to tan inverse to tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. So this value equals to, this is the tan inverse, this is the tan 2 theta. In the tan inverse, tan value is negligible. So here u equals to now 2 theta or u equal to theta value is tan inverse of x to tan inverse of x here. Okay, alright. Again, here u is a function of the x, so du by dx, 2 is a constant factor. In the tan inverse derivative of tan inverse value of x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. So your value is du by dx equals to 2 divided by 1 plus of x square here. Alright. Similarly, in this way, we have to taking x equal to tan theta here now. Here putting this value. So this implies that b equals to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus of tan square theta. So this value implies b equals to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Your formula is cos 2 theta. So here another part is cos inverse. The value is 1. So here b equals to here 2 theta. So b equals to 2 tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. So this implies dv by dx both sides. So d by dx both sides, because v is a function of x. So your answer 2 is a constant. Tan inverse derivative of tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus of x square. So here dv by dx equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Now therefore du by, we have to find du by dv, because tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus of x square with respect to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus of x square. Okay, so that this value implies equals to du by dx by dv by dx. Your value is now 2 divided by 1 plus x square. 2 divided by 1 plus of x square. So it is a 1, or this implies that du by dv equals to, your answer is 1. It is also a most important question for us. Okay. Today I will discuss some problem based on the differentiation of a function with respect to another functions. Okay, this is the some type of question I am discuss. If you clear about this type of problem or any doubt, so comment me, subscribe me my channels. Then I am trying my best level to all your doubts in the next video. Okay, thank you.